Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove background from data point of chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to remove the background of data point. Select data, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the insert menu. Now I am create a chart. Now I am select this text column. Then we can see here the data point. Click right button and go to the format data series option, then select the fill and line option, choose the fill and make no fill, then enable the border and choose solid line. You can change the line. Now I am select the black and increase the white, then close the window. Now we can see we remove background from data point very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.